Hey everyone, it's Booty here. Today we're diving into the heart of Amsterdam, a city layered with history, art, and vibrant culture. Imagine walking through the bustling streets where every corner tells a story and every canal sings a melody of the past and present. We're going to explore some of the most iconic spots in Amsterdam, places that are not just tourist attractions, but are soulful experiences that you need to feel. From the poignant walls of the Anne Frank house to the stunning art in the Van Gogh Museum and the lush greenery of Vondelpark, get ready to see Amsterdam like never before. Join me, grab your camera, and let's uncover the hidden gems and famous spots of this wonderful city. Let's make some memories together in Amsterdam. Subscribe to YouSpot for more interesting facts. As we step into the Anne Frank house, it's like walking back in time. This isn't just a museum, it's a sanctuary that tells the story of a young girl and her family who hid from the horrors of World War II. Here, in the secret annex, Anne Frank wrote her diary, a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Each room here holds a story, preserved with utmost care, allowing us to witness the stark reality of those dark times. Imagine living in these hidden rooms, the constant fear and yet the hope that Anne poured into her writing. It's a poignant reminder of the past, and as we walk through these narrow passages, let's reflect on the lessons it teaches us about bravery and the endurance of hope. This experience is sure to leave a lasting impression, making us appreciate the freedom we often take for granted. Welcome to the Van Gogh Museum, home to the largest collection of Vincent van Gogh's artworks. As we enter, we're greeted by the vibrant colors and dramatic brushstrokes that tell the tumultuous story of one of the world's most influential artists. Each painting here, from the Starry Night to Sunflowers, is a window into Van Gogh's soul, showcasing his inner turmoil and his unparalleled love for beauty. Walking through these galleries, we get a deeper understanding of his journey, the evolution of his style, and his impact on the art world. It's not just about observing art, it's about connecting with it on a personal level. Let's dive deeper into his life, understand his struggles, and celebrate his genius. This museum isn't just a place to visit, it's an emotional journey through the life of a brilliant artist. Now let's take a breath of fresh air in Vondelpark, the largest park in Amsterdam. This is where the city comes to relax, play, and connect with nature. As we stroll through the winding paths surrounded by lush greenery and serene lakes, it's easy to see why this park is a beloved escape for both locals and visitors. Whether it's joggers in the morning mist, families picnicking under the old trees, or artists capturing the picturesque views, Vondelpark is alive with activity. Here, every path leads to a new discovery, from hidden sculptures to quaint cafes. Let's take a moment to relax by the lake, watch the world go by, and maybe even join in a local game or a spontaneous music performance. Vondelpark is not just a park, it's a vibrant community space that welcomes everyone with open arms. Welcome to the Jordaan district, arguably the most charming part of Amsterdam. With its narrow streets, historic buildings, and the picturesque canals, Jordaan is the perfect place to get lost. Here, every alleyway tells a story, every building has a history, and every canal reflects the city's vibrant life. As we wander through this neighborhood, we'll explore artisan shops, cozy cafes, and some of the best local eateries where you can taste traditional Dutch delicacies. The Jordaan is not just about its aesthetic appeal, it's about the community, the artists, and the musicians that bring this neighborhood to life. It's a place where history meets creativity and tradition meets modernity. Let's soak in the atmosphere, enjoy the local music, and maybe even strike up a conversation with the friendly locals. Jordaan is not just a district, it's a feeling. Our final stop is the Amsterdam Lookout, Amsterdam's gateway to the skies. As we ascend to the top, get ready for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. From here, every landmark we visited today is just a tiny part of the vast, sprawling tapestry that is Amsterdam. And for the thrill seekers, there's the over-the-edge swing, Europe's highest swing, where you can literally swing over the edge of the tower. It's exhilarating, it's terrifying, but most of all, it's absolutely unforgettable. As the city stretches out below us, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey today. From the historic depths of the Anne Frank house to the artistic heights of the Van Gogh Museum, and from the green tranquility of Vondelpark to the charming streets of Jordaan, Amsterdam has shown us its many faces. And from this lookout, we see them all at once, united in their diversity. As our day in Amsterdam comes to an end, I hope you've felt the heart and soul of this incredible city through our journey. Each spot we visited today offers a unique slice of what makes Amsterdam so special. From the poignant echoes of history to the vibrant strokes of art, from the lush green escapes to the bustling urban charm, we've experienced a city that's as diverse as it is beautiful. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this tour of Amsterdam, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and as always, keep creating new memories. Farewell, until we meet again in another corner of the world.